Welcome to our tutorial video for DJI Matrice 4 series, where we will guide you through its intelligent features. Real-time laser measurement can calculate the distance between the target point and aircraft, position, and altitude. On the left side of the camera view, tap the RNG icon to activate the laser measurement function. Align the crosshair with the subject to be measured. At this point, RNG indicates the linear distance between the target and the aircraft, and ASL indicates the altitude above sea level of the target. Tap Customizable Function Bar and choose Draw 3D Line. Align the crosshair with the measured target, then tap the C1 button to add a measurement point. Move the crosshair to a new position and tap the C1 button again to add another measurement point. The screen will then display the length of the 3D line between these measurement points. Tap the C2 button to remove the measurement point. The top left corner of the screen displays the straight distance, horizontal length, and altitude difference of the 3D line. Tap the Confirm icon, and the screen will display the length of the 3D line in real time. Tap Customizable Function Bar and choose Draw 3D Area. Align the crosshair with the measured target, then tap the C1 button to add a measurement point. Move the crosshair to a new position and tap the C1 button again to add another measurement point. Tap the C2 button to remove the measurement point. The top left corner of the screen displays the horizontally projected distance, horizontally projected perimeter, and altitude difference of the 3D area. Tap the Confirm icon, and the screen will display the range and size of the 3D area in real time. The 3D line and 3D area drawn can be synchronized on DJI Flight Hub 2, improving collaborative work efficiency. Smart Detection enables the automatic detection and counting of vehicles and boats. Enable the Smart Detection function, and the screen will display the types and number of subjects. Tap the Expand icon to choose the subject type. You can also enable the Alert function if needed. When the selected subject appears on the screen, the remote controller will issue an alert notification. Tap the Photo Mode icon, select High-Res Grid, and you can achieve a wider range of counting statistics. In High-Res Grid mode, the aircraft estimates the actual geographical area corresponding to each zoom photo, calculates the density of smart detected objects, and provides color alerts based on threshold values. For moving subjects like vehicles and boats, Smart Track allows for independent detection, positioning, and continuous tracking. Tap Smart Track to enter the tracking mode. Select a subject, align the camera's focal point with the subject, and press C1 to lock on. Or tap on a recognized subject in the camera view. Or draw a box around a subject in the camera view. Then start tracking. The camera will automatically adjust the zoom level during tracking. You can also manually adjust the zoom using the right dial. After releasing the dial, the zoom will automatically revert to the previous level. You can switch subjects by tapping a different one on the screen, or by aligning the camera's focal point with a new subject and pressing C1. If the subject is lost, the aircraft will attempt to reacquire it automatically. You can also manually reposition the control stick to reacquire, or press C2 to cancel tracking and return to the subject detection stage to reselect a subject. During the flight, you can lock the flight speed with a single tap, simplifying the operation. Tap Cruise to enter Intelligent Cruise mode. When you push the control stick to make the aircraft reach a certain flight speed, press the C1 button as prompted by the app to lock the speed. Once the speed is locked, you can continue to push the right control stick. The aircraft will then add the stick input to the locked speed, or you can adjust to a new constant speed by using the control sticks again. Tap on the map and you can view the areas scanned by the camera in the real-time live view. Tap to enable Observed View. You can log the areas and central points covered in the live view history. During operations, record your actual path and search range to prevent repeated flights. When using DJI Flight Hub 2, observation data are synchronized in real-time on the collaborative work platform. The paths and search ranges of multiple flights can be displayed in DJI Flight Hub 2, helping to avoid redundant task assignments and enhancing work efficiency. Return to home can be set to preset or optimal in the app. Tap Settings, Flight Settings, Optimal. In scenarios where lighting is sufficient and the visual sensing system can operate, the aircraft will plan an optimal return path according to the environment. Route Planning Logic. Preset. The aircraft will automatically navigate to an open area, ascend to the preset RTH altitude, and plan the best path back to the home point. Optimal. The aircraft will automatically plan the optimal RTH path and adjust the altitude.